Welcome to the Meat Grinder called Life. I'm your host, Hunter Charles. Buy the ticket, take the train.
Pathetic. Look at you. Sitting in front of a muffin, looking at it like it owes you money. How can anyone be that stupid? Restricting oneself of the only thing that makes us different from a machine. Eating. Must stop that bullshit.
36 hours in, 12 to go.
Stop that bullshit. Now.
Food doesn't own me. Food doesn't own me. Food doesn't own me. Food does not.
10 more hours. I feel horrible. Weak. Dizzy. All of that.
You're nothing but a masochist. You like it being tortured, do you? You sick fuck. Rebellion against your own nature. Give up. Eat. Be happy.
This is not fun anymore. Not at all. All I came here for was to be a better writer. And now I'm doing a 48-hour fast instead. Beautiful. Underneath my balcony was a food stall. I tried it, wasn't good. But the smell of overcooked, underweight chicken, bombarded with chili, finds its way into my mind. Like a siren on the sea. It would probably be a good idea to go outside. I feel like I'm going insane. I tried being outside, sitting on a park bench, wasting time, reading or writing in a cafe, my fourth cafe. But the smells, too overwhelming, the look of food stalls, people eating, being happy, it was too much. I was close to giving up. The thought of that muffin torturing me, I wanted to kill him, even though I never craved anything more. I had only one option left, and I hated that option.
Only 6 more hours to go. I'm so close to quitting, it's insane. Only one option. Work. What else? What else?
Immerse myself in work. The thought alone of work could be my only savior made me sick. But I did it. 1 hour after another, slowly passing. Focus, laser sharp. Hunger? What hunger? In a fire? Burning. 1 more hour, 30 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I made it, man. It's very close. I'm very light on my feet, dizzy, but I feel fine. It was a fun challenge, to be honest. I will not do it again, and now I'm gonna have my muffin. Bro. You don't even know.
Sometimes you win. Sometimes the machine. Who won today?